So this was our campsite for the first night, and now we're gonna have some breakfast, and then we're gonna cross the fjord and explore.
I couldn't surf well.
We're pretty cozy, I think, and it was pretty warm as well. And this is a pretty peaceful campground around here. Well, it started raining. Now we're just waiting for a ferry to take us over the fjord, and then we'll go see a stave church, unless it's raining too much. And give me doing makeup.
Let's go! We arrive at the Bangasnes. This is stave church. Harry Potter のなんか帽子みたいですけど。すごい。羊かな。羊かヤギかどっちか。
We're walking in the middle of nowhere, low clouds. Our mission. Mecha samui. Yes. But our mission. What's our mission?
Touch snow.
Touch snow. That's right.
Crazy.
Pretty dumb mission, but it's all in good fun. We've reached our goal. Snow! Careful.
Is this cloud as well?
Yeah, it's cloud because it's something that's like
雲の中を運転してます。真っ白。
we had such good weather yesterday. Yeah, it looks like Japan.
ちょっと日本みたいな道を今通ってます。
So we saw a waterfall as we were driving past, and we jumped on the brakes to check it out, and seems like it's pretty popular. Lots of people here. So soldiers had like little bunkers here, and then I guess the Germans came up through this valley, and then the Norwegians would hide here. It's like we're walking down where there's been a rock slide. It's like a mirror. Totally like a mirror. Here comes a duck. Oh. We have turned up to somewhere. We saw some tourists go down this little road where we're gonna explore today. We'll see. Very small, but pretty nice. Cozy, yeah. That's a good word. Yeah, genki. So we're now in Flåm. We'll buy dinner here and walk around and look at the sights. There's my train. So we just went to a Sami shop, souvenir shop. Megumi got some stuff.
Yay!
Yay! And this cruise ship followed us from, where was it? Stryn?
Stryn.
Yeah, from Stryn. Dinner preparations. Megumi is ready for dinner. We got the camp set up. Bit better than last time. And this beautiful river running right next to us. Not too shabby. Okay, so we've had our dinner. We've been sitting around for a bit. Time to go to sleep, almost. It's only 9:30.
My room is bright.
Yeah, it's still very bright. Another day tomorrow. Hopefully weather will be a little bit better.
We're close fingers.
Ayasumi.